kind of pan around and check it all out. Now we're going to go walk down. We're going to take a look at each one of the cars. Hope you enjoy it. So this is an original 63 Falcon Sprint with a 260 motor in it. This was the granddaddy of the Mustang. This is a nice little car. Look at that, it's a stick shift too. Chrysler New Yorker, four-door car. It's a big one. Really nice 70 Nova with a big block in it, 396. This is a really nice car. This is a 70 Chevelle. This bad boy is healthy. This bad boy is big time healthy. Check this out. That's a lot of motor. Blown. 2 4s. Nice body. Really nice body. So this is the owner. Where are you from?
Harpers Ferry, West Virginia.
Harpers Ferry, West Virginia, all the way to Front Royal. Not bad.
Yes, sir.
So he is telling me that this engine is the original engine that came with the truck. That's rare.
Original drivetrain. All the chrome is original, except for those mirrors.
Hear that? All the chrome's original.
All the
original
steel wheels are original. All the bumpers.
How long have you had it?
33 years.
33 years. Excellent. Okay, good for you.
No,
Nice truck.
Not original is the interior.
Right.
That bench seat kills you driving it, so I had to change that with bucket seats in it.
Little hard on the old butt with a bench seat, huh?
Now the dash is still the original paint,
Right.
From brand new. I wouldn't let them touch it.
Good.
Still the original black paint. Originally this truck was black.
So was it from West Virginia originally?
Yes. No, it didn't come. I don't know where it came from originally, but that's where we bought it from, was like Inwood, West Virginia. No farmer had it out on his farm.
It was a farm truck before you got it.
Yep.
You saved it from the farm for
Yes,
33
sir.
years.
Yes, sir.
Good job. Thanks for your time.
Yes, sir.
So we're going to take a look at the interior. Owner tells me he couldn't stand the bench seat no more. I had to put some comfortable buckets in there. That's okay. I guess after 33 years, the old butt deserves some rest. Done nice. Really nice truck. Really nice. Really nice truck.
My father bought this truck in 1988 from a farmer out in Middleway.
For $600?
$600. And he brought it home and we started rebuilding it, and then he passed away before we got it finished. Didn't get to ride in it.
It's okay, handed it down to you.
Yes.
So he's with us at the show today, even though...
I think he is, yes.
Good for you.
Yes.
Excellent.
But for you folks who don't pick the guy, that's 2 carburetors and an overdrive.
Chevrolet, again with French-in headlights, 3-bar Lancers, lake pipes, spotlights. This is old school. Fender skirts, Mercury taillights. Owner tells me he built it himself, had it for over 20 years. First time I've ever seen this car, so that's pretty cool. It's a 36 Ford. Is this yours? Not yours?
Just looking now. I got Mustang.
This is really clean. This is nice. So we're looking down the line here. 65 GTO. Nice car. Nice car. And right here we got a 56 Chevrolet. Also a nice car. A lot of nice cars here today. Got the old style Krager SS's on it. So you can see it, Krager SS. See, and this is where you put the gas in. See this right here? You turn this little slot right there to the right, it folds down. Gas fill is right behind it. '69 Cougar Eliminator. Here, 55 Chevelle T10. Sweet car. Very cool. So this is a 72 American Motors job. Come with a 401 motor. This car's done really nice. So you know, when I'm out here doing car shows, I always look for something different. This is something different. You don't see a lot of these.
We went to Waynesboro, Pennsylvania, like I've done for 2 weeks ago. Which were last week. Last week we were there. It was nice. And they had about 160 cars. Okay.
Like a bird on a tree.
Yeah.
They had a good one. I'm just sitting here.
55 Chevrolet, black and gray. Nice color scheme.
It's clear to see from up here.
Yeah, you see that right there? That's a 6-shift car.
We can sit together.
This car's done really nice. Real nice. 55 Chevrolet. Stick shift.
Meant to be
Small block Chevrolet.
the great outdoors. Forever free.
55 Chevrolet. 66 big block Chevelle 396.
Sometimes I need to go.
This is a 25
Take a
Ford
step
Roadster.
back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Number 39.
You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors.
This is a Mercury Comet.
Forever free. You and me
Nice survivor car.
meant to be in the great
68 Mercury Comet.